Hey guys, HomePro here. Congratulations, you have a Sensor XP vacuum cleaner. It's one of the best vacuums on the market. Today, we're going to show you how to assemble it right out of the box. Now your machine is going to be sent to you in a box like this. And contained in this box are four main components to the vacuum. First, you'll have a wand and hose assembly. Next, a handle assembly with your power cord, a bag housing, or the upright portion of the vacuum, and the main part of the vacuum, the power head. You'll notice on the box, you have got a sticker that contains the serial number for your vacuum. You're going to want to take that sticker off and keep it somewhere safe so that you have a serial number record of your machine for warranty purposes. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is to put your power head on some sort of a firm base. This bench, or even just the floor, is a good idea. Take the bag housing, and you're going to want to center it over the power head with the swivel neck lining up with the receiver on the bottom of the bag housing and the swivel support on the other side of the bag housing. Now when the vacuum is new, all of the tolerance is going to be very tight. So you need to make sure that you place it completely perpendicular to the floor or to the power head, and then with a nice firm motion you're going to want to snap it down onto the power head. You should hear a click just like that. So now that we have the bag housing installed on the power head, we'll move on to the hose and wand. This is a very simple process. The wand will be docked in the bag housing. You'll notice there's a tab on the front of the bag housing. You'll want that to be covered by the handle. The next, we simply take the hose and we plug it into the top of the bag housing inlet, and if you need to, you can pinch this retaining ring to give it a little bit of help. And finally, we'll be installing the handle assembly and power cord, which is inserted into the top of the bag housing in this receiver. Be sure to insert the handle assembly all the way until it bottoms out in the receiver before locking down the lever. Now you'll want to test the machine before putting it into service. Simply plug it into the wall, turn on the power switch, and vacuum. Now if there's any problems at this point, if the vacuum isn't turning on or you have any issues at all, it's a good idea to redo these steps. There are electrical connections in the vacuum both at the bag housing and handle assembly, and if those are not all the way installed, you may have issues with the vacuum turning on. Now to take the vacuum apart, we're going to simply lay it down on a firm surface, press the button on the front of the bag housing, and at the same time we're going to separate the bag housing from the power head. Then to reinstall, simply make sure that it is firmly placed over the power head and then push evenly down until it makes a click. Now to remove the handle assembly from the bag housing, you simply lift the locking lever and remove the handle assembly from the socket. And then to reinstall, simply place in the socket and press down firmly till you get a good connection. And there you have it. That is the initial assembly of a Sensor XP vacuum right out of the box. Thanks again for your purchase. Happy vacuuming.